Upgrading Reflector Cup. The broad reflective plate on both sides allows multi-angle refraction, ideal for ambient illumination. Sliding mounting bracket. The sturdy bracket can firmly fix the light bar. Quakeproof when passing through rugged terrain. Waterproof rate. IP67 rate, seamless protective housing with waterproof glue, great performance of waterproof, dustproof and quakeproof. Super brightness. Combo beam with triple row and nest reflector cup design in the middle for extreme light efficiency. Package include 1 PC 22-inch LED light bar, 2 PCS 4-inch cube LED pods, 1 PC off-road wiring harness 4 leads. Specification. 22-inch 480W triple row lights beam pattern, flood spot combo beam input voltage, 9 to 30 volts DC, fits 12 volts, 24 V vehicles, working lifespan, over 30,000 hours working temperature, -40 to 85 degrees Celsius LED color temperature, pure white 6000K 6500K material, 6063 aluminum alloy profile, high-quality LED chips, PC lens waterproof rate, IP67, waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. 4-inch 60W triple row lights LED power, 60W, 20x3W high-intensity LED. Beam pattern. Spot waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Top reviews from the United States. 4 times brighter than the headlights. Super bright light bar. Love it. Huge improvement over factory lights. Purchased a 2022 $16,000 golf cart, but these lights made it look like a $16,000 GC.